Hey there, how is everybody? We are at the vintage 1929 First United Methodist Church here in Hillsboro, Texas. So the building first originated in 1874, and then they expanded and added on, and it looks in its current structure today is what it was in 1928. And then they had a fire that year and they rebuilt it in 1929. So it looks like a very beautiful 3 or 4 story church. I really like the design of this church. I love the those large antique cathedral looking windows. So we're going to get a close-up view of the entrance. Okay, so again, this is one of the entrances to this very old vintage 1929 church. And it's a very tall brick entrance there with the large wooden doors. It's got that really neat colorful windows. And here we have a rear backside view of the vintage 1929 antique Methodist church here in Hillsboro, Texas. And here we have a view of the other entrance on the opposite side, which has the same similar brick 2-story entrance architecture. Very fascinating piece of Texas history here. This church was rebuilt in 1929. Okay, here we have a view of the smaller back entrance. And of course it has the old large wood doors, but it doesn't have the fancy entrance like the other 2 doors. Well, I hope you enjoyed the view as much as I did. So this is a very old Methodist church, the first one here in Hillsboro, Texas. It began in 1874 and it was built in sections, 1914 and then again in 1928, and then it caught on fire and they rebuilt it to what it looks like now in 1929. One of the most beautiful churches I've seen here in Texas.